What's up guys, today I'm showing you the fastest way to make an AI phone call using retellai and n8n. I will teach you how to create an n8n trigger that triggers a workflow to start calling other people. So let's build it. So the first thing we're going to do is head over to n8n and we're just going to sign in. If you already have an account, you can just log in. If you don't have an account, I've made previous videos on how to create an n8n account. So here in n8n, we're just going to click create new workflow. So the first thing we want to create in n8n is just a manual trigger. Later you can actually swap this for a webhook trigger, a schedule trigger, a Google Sheets trigger, actually whatever you want. But for now, a manual trigger it is, just to keep it simple. So the next thing we want to do is to create an HTTP request. And now we want to change the method to post in the URL based on retellai's own documentation. We can just copy paste this link. It should work for everyone else, as of right now at least. They might change the URL later on. The next thing we want to do is we want to toggle send header on using fields below. On the name, we want to type in auto value. We want to name it here. What we want to do right now is to paste our API key from Retell. So we're going to head back to Retell AI. We're going to go into settings. On settings, we're going to click on API keys to the left. To the right, you have add key, and we're going to add an API key. We're going to call it something, YouTube n8n demo, and we're going to create it. Now, under your key, just copy your key, head back to your n8n workflow, and paste your key in the value section of the bearer. The next thing we want to do is to toggle send body. It should be a JSON. We want to toggle using JSON. So here, we're going to type in a code. I've already pre-prepared a code for this section. And it's this. You can pause the video and copy the code to you as well. And I'm going to explain to you what it means. So the first value here is from number, and this from number we're going to grab in retellai. So I'm back to retellai. Now go to your agents, and you can see that you have assigned a phone number to your agent. So this is the phone number. We're going to copy that phone number, head back to retellai. And we're going to paste it. Keep in mind the plus sign is really important. And now we have to take away all the spaces in between. Just like this. And now the to number. The to number is your own phone number, or the phone number that you want to call. Keep in mind, here we're just going to enter a single value. But you could assign this to a Google spreadsheet that's filled with phone numbers, and you can automate your trigger, your workflow to actually call all of them one by one. But for this demonstration, we're going to keep it simple. So we need a plus sign, always the plus sign, and then your LAN code. That's nice. And on the third and last code section here, we need your agent ID. So we're going to go head back to retellai. We're going to go into our agent. And right here, where it says agent ID, you want to copy this. And you want to paste it in this section right here. That's nice. That's everything you need. So right now, we can test it. I'm going to click on Execute Workflow. And we'll see if it's calling us. Okay, we have a problem. The resource you are requesting could not be found. So let's see. Okay, the method is wrong. It's a get, but we want to have a post. So I just forgot to change that. So let's see. If you go back and you save your workflow, now click Execute Workflow. Okay, still a problem. What's the problem now? Error, post, create phone call. Okay guys, so I had a wrong URL. I'm just gonna paste in the right one that I found in their documentation. I'm gonna go back, click save, and now we're gonna execute the workflow and see what happens.
Hi guys, congratulations, you have successfully made an outbound phone call. Subscribe to this channel for more valuable knowledge.
Okay guys, quick troubleshooting. If it fails, check your API key, make sure the phone numbers have the plus and the country code, and verify your agent ID so that it's correct. And that's it, the 2 nodes, 1 API call, and infinitive possibilities. From here you can actually replace the manual trigger with an automation. You can add error handling, you can log results in spreadsheets, and you can build complex workflows around this simple setup. If this helped you make your first AI phone call, hit that like button, drop a question in the comments, and subscribe for more quick automation tutorials. See you in the next one.